Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। Dear students, we learned about subtraction in our previous video. Today we will solve some examples of subtraction. Are you ready? Let's start. First question is 9 minus 2. We have to subtract 2 from number 9. What we'll do first? See the number first, 9. We will draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers we have to subtract? Or minus 2. We will cut 2 circles. How many circles are left here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see the next problem. We have to minus 4 from 8. What we will do first? We will draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to minus 4. So we will cut 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. The answer is 4. Understood? Very good. See the next problem. We have to subtract 2 from 7. We will draw 7 circles here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to subtract 2. We will cut 2 circles. How many circles are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. The 5 is the right answer. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see the next problem. What we have to do here? We have to minus 3 from number 5. First we will draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will cut 3 from these 5 circles. Let's cut 1, 2, 3. How many circles are left? 2. It means 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. The answer is 2. Understood? Very good. See the next problem. 4 minus 2. First we will draw 4 circles or 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number you have to subtract? 2. So cut 2 lines. 1, 2. How many lines are left? 1, 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. The correct answer is 2. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see the next problem. We have to subtract 5 from number 7. What we will do first? We will draw or write 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? And which number we have to subtract? 5 numbers. So we will cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines are left? 1, 2. It means 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Understood? Very good. So dear students, are you enjoying to solving the subtraction problems? You are enjoying now? Very good. See the next problem. 4 minus 1. Draw 4 circles. 1 2 3 4 and we have to subtract 1, so cut 1. How many circles are left? Let's count. 1 2 3. It means 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. The right answer is 3. Understood? Very good. तो बच्चों हमने इसमें 4 में से 1 माइनस किया और हमने क्या किया, 4 सर्कल्स बनाए और हमें 1 माइनस करना था, इसलिए हमने 1 सर्कल को कट कर दिया. तो यहाँ पर कितने सर्कल बचे? 3. तो आंसर क्या हुआ? 3. अंडरस्टूड? वेरी गुड.
Bye bye.
So,
Thanks for watching.
Dear students, see the next question. We have to subtract 2 from number 6. We will draw 6 circles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to subtract 2. We will cut 2 circles. How many circles are left? 1 2 3 4. The answer is 4. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Isn't it? Yes. See the next question. 8 minus 5 will be what? Let's draw 8 circles first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And we have to subtract 5. Let's cut 5 from the 8 circles. 1 2 3 4 5. How many circles are left here? Let's count. 1 2 3. It means 8 minus 5 will be 3. Understood? Very good. See the next question. 8 minus 3. Let's draw 8 circles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to cut 3. Cut down 3 circles. 1 2 3. How many circles are left? 1 2 3 4 5. It means 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see this question. We have to subtract 0 from 8. We learned the subtraction of 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. Means the answer will not change. Let's see. First draw 8 circles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to subtract 0. So we will not cut any circle. So how many circles are here? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. Understood? जब हमने 8 में से 0 माइनस किया, यानी कि हमने उसमें से कुछ भी माइनस नहीं किया, तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? 8 ही रहेगा. आया समझ में? वेरी गुड. See the next question. 3 minus 1 will be what? 1 2 3 minus 1. The answer is 1 2. 2. Understood? Very good. See this problem. 9 minus 7. First draw 9 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Which number you have to subtract? Or minus 7 number. So cut 7 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many lines are left here? 1 2. The answer is 2. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Understood? Very good. See this problem. This is very easy problem. When we subtract 1 from 1, the answer is what? The answer will be 0. It means if we have 1 chocolate. If you have 1 chocolate and you ate this chocolate, how many chocolates will be left? No chocolates. Means 0 chocolates. Understood? Very good. तो प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपके पास एक चॉकलेट था और आपने उसे खा लिया, तो आपके पास कितने चॉकलेट्स बचेंगे? एक भी चॉकलेट नहीं बचेगा, यानी कि 0 चॉकलेट। अंडरस्टूड? वेरी गुड। See the last problem. It is very easy. You will solve this problem and answer in comment box. Who will write the right answer? Who will give the right answer? I will show their name in the next video. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है। इसको सॉल्व करके इसका आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए। जो भी बच्चा इसका सही आंसर देगा तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं उनका नाम शो करूँगी। अंडरस्टूड? तो आपने ये सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स किए और आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। बिल्कुल कंजूसी मत कीजिए सब्सक्राइब करने में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।